In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy plans on Mint Mobile. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in mintmobile.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Mint Mobile. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to buy the plans, for that what you have to do is click on this plans option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the available plans over here. You'll be able to find the options like 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. You can also see the features over here. So compare the features and find the plan that you would like to purchase. After you do that, click on the option shop right below the plan that you would like to purchase. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see more details regarding that plan over here. You'll be able to pick your data amount. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Also select the SIM type. You'll be able to find the option for eSIM and physical SIM. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you have to pick your phone type over here. First of all, select a brand. Click on the field of brand and select the brand. Likewise, select a model. Click on the field of model. Now you'll be able to see the model over here. Click on the model of your choice. Now after you do that, click on this option add to cart that you can see on the screen. Now this particular plan will be added to the cart. You'll be able to view the cart in another interface. You can see the cart over here. You'll be able to see the subtotal. So what you have to do is simply click on this option proceed to checkout that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface of Mint Mobile. All you have to do is fill in these details. So first of all, enter the billing details over here. Enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now enter the street address over here. Make sure to enter the correct address. Now after you enter the street address, you can also enter the apartment, suite or unit if you want. Likewise, select the town or city, state and zip code. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is enter the phone number. Likewise, enter your email address over here. Now after you enter all these informations, what you have to do is look at right. Now over here, you'll be able to see the subtotal, recovery fee, taxes and surcharge, etc. What you have to do is select the payment method. You'll be able to see the payment methods like PayPal, Venmo, etc. Click on the payment method of your choice. Here I've selected the option for credit card. Once you do that, enter the card number over here. Likewise, enter the expiration date and card security code. Now after you enter all these informations, click on this option place order that you can see on the screen. Now your order will be placed. After you do that, you'll successfully purchase this plan. So like this, you'll be able to buy the plan. So that is how you buy plans on Mint Mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.